Hi, I'm Nicolette. Today I'm going to run through a little bit of my YouTube channel. So I'm a writer and illustrator. I do loads of different types of illustrations. Here's some of my detail ones of different places. I've done some animal ones, nature. I have a lot of different types of artwork that I like to do. Sometimes the cartoons and more cartoon-like. Then have you seen there some detailed ones? I write and illustrate children's books. I'll just open this one. So that's just a quick introduction if you want to know about my book series. I do have dyslexia, but I think when I got older, I realised that it actually helped me to write children's books. So we've got this one little video there. And these are all my books. This one you can actually listen to. I've got full-page pictures on there, and that's my story of Captain Cuthbert and the Cobra Gem. So you can actually listen to that for free. These are all my other books here. Take a look at those, see what you think. They're trailers. Okay, and what else I do? So I've got on here, due to dyslexia, I struggled at school. So I have created some cartoon draw-alongs that you can do because people with dyslexia tend to be more visual, which means you can be more creative. I could draw at school. I was good at drawing, but I struggle with academic subjects. So I want to help kids with their creative ability because there wasn't as much focus on creative when I was younger. So I've done loads of videos, 67 in there actually. So robot cat, robot dog, all sorts of stuff. Alien there at the top. There's loads of different ones. A cute robot, and quite a few. I like this one. That's one of my favourites. Let's draw a monster. Oh yeah, I like that one. There's loads in there. You just sort of scroll down, tend to draw animals or a lot of monsters and robots and fancy type, ghosty type stuff there. Loads of different ones. So I'll leave you to have a scroll through them yourself. There's loads on there, so I won't do them all just yet. Okay, just move back. And you'll say my computer's behaving it'll. So also done some games and activities. You might like to draw some draw alongs in here, but these are mainly games and activities. How to talk like a pirate. So 2P football, I loved that as a kid. Fast track Lego racing game. There's loads of different things. Caterpillar race, another cartoon faces. Beginner's workshop. I might actually transfer these once I've done more workshops into a different folder. So making boot merch, torch projector, games and activity comic, football, fun football. That was good. I had a good time. That was fun. That one. I enjoyed that one. I cheated and lost. Galaxy stress balls. How to make them, how to make flower bombs, how to make pop-up cards, how to make ghost dance. It's not it's a magic trick, so it's not. It's good that one's funny. How to make bird feeders. There's loads of different games on there, crafty type stuff. Now the people who want to do my draw-alongs, which you'll find under art and drawing, I want to share them on my Facebook page and get some positive comments from your pictures. So I think that's all. If you click on here, it will take you to my LinkedIn, not LinkedIn, that's the other one. Linktree, I was going to mixed up there, which will take you to all my websites and different things that I'm running social media. Rather than post them all at once. So the website, there's just click to the story. Redbubble, where you can buy my gifts and products. If you want to buy me a coffee, which is a website that allows you to show appreciation for all the free stuff I do, and you can just buy it's sometimes about three quid, or you can use for one coffee, or you can do as many as you like. Well, here we go with all the different pages I want run. There's a Facebook activity group here as well. If you click on that, I post loads of different activities on there. So thank you very much for watching. Hope that's give you a quick introduction of my YouTube channel. Um, so thank you again.